Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Josh with Weekend Wonders. Today we're going to do a quick and easy mod. It's something I did before I had a YouTube channel. I've been asked about it a couple times since then, so now that I have one, I figured I'd do you guys a quick tutorial. This is how to change your off-screen image to a custom image. Here I have my YouTube channel logo in white. If you don't know what an off-screen image is, it's when you turn your screen off either through the screen off button or if you do it by holding the power button until your screen turns off. So instead of having a blank black screen, it'll display whatever image you choose. So if you're interested in this mod, stick with me. It's short and simple, and we'll get you set up. Okay, first step is going to be, of course, to pick the images that you want to use for your off-screen image. After you choose them, you need to save them in a file titled image. Not images, not any other, not pictures, wallpapers, nothing like that. Title it image. Some of the Subarus will have issues reading the file and they won't be able to pick it up, so title it image. Once you have that, you need to get a dump drive or flash drive. Plug it in, wait for it to pull up. All right, so here's our drive. We're gonna copy the image file, drag it to our dump drive. Let that load up. I did some pretty high pixel quality pictures. All right, that's done, and now remove our dump drive and head out to the Subaru. Okay, after you have your dump drive with your image file on it and the pictures that you chose, open up your middle console. You'll see your USB plugins there. Choose whichever one, doesn't matter. All right, plug that in. Go to vehicle and auxiliary. All right, so to start out, you're gonna go to Home, you're gonna go to Settings, go to General, and then we're gonna scroll down to Customize Screen Off Image. You'll click that, you'll click USB, and then if you already have images, this is where you can go to select your images or delete space. I think you can hold up to 10 images, but right now we're gonna copy from USB. All right, we've already copied image 1 over. That was the one at the beginning of the video. We're gonna do image 2 and hit copy. It says it'll take a minute, but it's not gonna take a minute. All right, let's copy it over. And now we go back, select images. Sometimes these will, the little demo images will take a second to load. This one right here is what we just loaded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it. All right, and that should be it. Super simple, super easy. And let's just test it out. Boom. There you have it. So quick and easy mod. I say a mod, it really isn't a mod. Quick and easy setup for just a customization option for your vehicle. If you like to go to car shows or you just want to have an image on while you're driving around. For me, it's cool to put up my YouTube channel name if I'm doing videos inside the vehicle. But hope that helps you guys out. Super easy, super simple. Y'all enjoy. I'll see you on the next mod.